friends, it's Debbie from Refresh Restyle, and I'm a independent designer for Chalkboard. Let me get my apron straightened here. And I am so glad y'all are joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy Happy Easter sign, and this is from our very large Happy Easter transfer. And I'm also going to be making a fun little bow to hang on it, and I am going to be doing the transfer in peony pink, and I hope I'm saying that right. So correct me in the comments if it's not peony. It's a beautiful flower, and I may be saying it wrong, so I don't want to do that. And the bow I'm going to be making is what's referred to as the door hanger bow, and there are several people out there that do them, and they're just quick and easy. The board that I'm going to be using is actually, I think I bought this at Michael's, but we also have them available in my shop, and I'll link that in the comments or either at the top. But anyway, all of the Chalk Couture projects are so fun and easy, and anybody can do them. You don't have to have any skills. Let's get this started. As you can see, I have already used this transfer several times, and you know, it's almost time to start thinking about Easter, so I thought I need to get one more Easter project done. So I am going to fuzz this a little bit. This is our fuzzing towel, but you can use any towel you have. Just make sure it's one that does not put off that lumpy fuzz, because you don't want that on the back of your transfer. Our transfers are silkscreen transfers, and I'll hold this up. It has like a silkscreen area. You can see through it, but it makes your project turn out so good. I'm just going to position this on here, and it's going to go over these little white marks on the chalkboard, but I thought, you know what, that is perfectly fine. And then I'm going to put the bow on this corner right here. And you want to make sure that all your transfer is pressed down well, so that the silkscreen areas don't have any bubbles in them. And I just use my fingertips, as you can see. And this is the pretty pink that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to do the whole transfer in this pink. I'm going to add just a little bit of water. You want to use distilled water, and I just put mine in a water bottle. And then stir it up well. And you'll see how easy this is. My little grandson can even do it. So anybody can do it. And you can make these look as cute. Like I could do this in all white. And I'm just going to dab this paste all over. And I'm going to squeegee it on with our angled squeegee. We've got several sizes. Minis to large 4-inch. And I'm just going to take the chalk paste and go over the silkscreen area. I'm going to try to be careful not to get it on off the edge. But you know what? If I do, I can just wipe it off. The paste is water soluble and wipes off with water. But when it dries, it doesn't smudge, so you can rub your hand across it, and it doesn't do like ordinary chalk. Alright, let's get this thing finished. You just want to make sure that you get your chalk paste in all of the silkscreen areas. And we've got several beautiful chalk paste colors to choose from. And I haven't used this pink. And I thought, you know what? I've got this ribbon with the pinks and greens. And I thought it just looks like a Easter color. So, alright, let's remove this and see what we've got. Like I said, this was a large transfer that I cut down. I did an Easter egg. And there she is. And I will wash my transfer in my sink in just a few minutes. But isn't that gorgeous? Turned out so cute. And I could have done it in white. I could have done it in teal. Could have done it in any color. Could have even, got a little smudge right there. Could have even done the flowers in different colors. But I just love the way that pink turned out. And now we're going to make a quick little bow. Let me see. I don't want it really, I'm going to put it on this side where the Y is. So we'll do it. And because this is totally just for this project, you can decide, you know, what size you want to do. I'm going to cut each piece the same length. And I did not measure that, so we'll just get close. I think I'm going to do 2 of each one. And really, this is great for when you have like leftover ribbon. Well, just one more of these. Don't these colors look like spring and Easter? I'm trying to remember where these came from. It was either Michael's or Joann's. I just love these colors. And for this project, I'm going to even add a little Easter grass. And so, like I said, this is a door hanger bow. Several people make them. And just you can just stack up any Brooke makes them. Tamara makes them. Oh gosh. I've seen just about all my Facebook friends making these. Okay. I have this little piece of wire from the Dollar Tree. I think it's the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add my Easter grass here in the middle. And this is just like some Easter grass from, I don't know, somewhere, Walmart or somewhere. And it's going to look kind of messy, but I thought it would be cute in the middle of this. Now I'm going to just take my wire and try to pick up all this at the same time. And this is where you could use another hand. But I'm just going to try to pull it tight. And then just kind of twist it on itself. Because I'm going to use this wire to attach it to the door hanger. Or the sign. I'm going to see if I can get this any tighter. Okay. And make sure my wire's on the back side. You could use raffia too. Brooke uses raffia all the time. And then you can kind of take your ribbon pieces and just kind of spread them out a little bit. That's looking kind of cute already, isn't it? Alright, now I'm going to dovetail my ribbon pieces. This is totally optional. I just think it looks cute. And this ribbon's so quick and easy. You can put this on anything. Or this bow. Hey, and don't we all need something for that extra ribbon that we've got? I'm going to call this one the Easter grass bow. Now I'm like 100% sure Brooke uses raffia. And I was like, I think I can use Easter grass. I should have been smart and cut these tails when I was cutting the ribbon, but hey, that's okay. Y'all comment below and let me know if you've ever made a bow like this. Tell me what you made yours with. Hey, with a piece of wire and a couple of pieces of ribbon, you can do anything. I'm going to have a little mess to clean up after this is over with. In the meantime, our sign is over there drying, so that's awesome. Okay. I'll hold this up so you can see. I think the Easter grass is a game changer. What do y'all think? So cute. So my sign and my bow is foolproof. Anybody can do it. Alright, so let's put it back on. Now all this is dry. Whoops, almost dry. Whoop, and I just touched that. Okay. And this already has like a twine on it, so I am going to just, first of all, I'm going to cut this down a little bit. Use way too much wire. I can use those pieces for another one. Then I'm going to put it right here and twist it around. Let me turn this around so I can see. The reason I'm putting it on this side is because the letter, it's not going to cover up anything. So there we go. Move this down so you can see. There is our Easter. You could either hang it on your door, hang it on your wall. And all those pretty pieces of ribbon. If you guys think that anybody would like this project, I'd appreciate it if you share. And then just comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you want more information about becoming a designer, just leave me a comment. I will talk to you soon. Thank you.